Greetings, it's Designs by None from Nairobi, Kenya, and I recently got to present my project in collaboration with AI at MozFest House Zambia, which is an installation project featuring AI artworks which are now experienced in augmented reality, and this is how people got to experience it.
This is fantastic. I love the
Where's your mind when you're running away? Or your love for the world has led you astray? And the world is cold, getting cold every day.
This is good. Wow. This is good.
Thank you. More artificial intelligence studies the data and behavioral patterns.
Oh wow. Nice is nice.
I know this person.
You know this person? I was telling people that it looks like someone from Zimbabwe or Zambia.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's pretty Zambia, like the features.
This is Mr. Chivas.
Wow.
The one in technology. You can even hear the sounds,
Yeah.
and you can see the world behind her. And now this is now the artist, the singer. There's people cheering in the background.
Yeah. Wow.
So this was an ode to women, showing just an ode to women, praising women and like giving them a voice and like immortalizing them in art.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so for me now.
Oh, that's so nice. That's so nice. I'll keep this dear. This one. I'll frame it. E-R-E-Y.